Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install CapCut in PC. To do this, open a browser window and type in CapCut.com. Once you will be in this page, you can sign up or create account, but we will be downloading CapCut. So scroll a little bit down and here you will see that you can install or download for Windows. Click in this download for Windows and this will straight away download the file to your PC. Let's go to downloads and here you will see this file. This is executable file which will help you to install CapCut. Double click on this file and you will start installation. It is testing environment. This means that it is testing your local PC, whether your PC has all requirements to run CapCut. And once this testing is over, you will see this your computer can run CapCut smoothly and click on confirm. To agree to terms and service, just click on agree and continue. And once installation is over, you will see on desktop this icon like this CapCut. Click on this icon, it will open a CapCut on your PC, guys. And yes, this is how you can install CapCut in PC. If you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and see you in the next one.